All right, so this behemoth that we have here is the frame for the J3000 full-size Jeep truck. It's coming along slow, but today we're going to be installing the tire carrier. So come on over here. This is the bracket itself. So if you look at these parts right here, this is how it mounts, and you have 4 levels where you can mount it. And this bottom, of course, goes in here, right? But this part right here connects onto this bracket that's attached to the frame. Here. So you put it attached to there. So we can actually do that right now. So you get your bracket nice and clean and you paint it, or just keep it however you want. And then here's your cotter pin, your washer, your spring, and your pin. Like that. Get our spring, our washer, and then your cotter pin. That's essentially how it mounts. Then on this end, what they do, there's another one that looks just like this on the bench. Will you go grab it? So you look right here, this is the old little plate and nut, and you can see all the teeth are gone. It's just completely worthless at this point. So what I did is I made a new plate, about the same thickness gauge steel, same size bout, with a new nut, and I nasty welded it on there. I'm not really caring about the appearance of it, obviously. It is just the tire carrier. So, but anyways, this plate, what it does is in here, so it fits right there, and then you run your bolt up through it, and then the bolt hangs down like this. Okay, so let's just say I got it on here, and that's like as far as I can go. Take your tire carrier, and then you tighten it up, and your tire sits right here, like the rim, and then it lifts up against your bed, the bottom of your bed. And you can make height adjustments here and move this bracket up or down, and this one up and down, depending on how big your tire is. But that's what we're doing today, putting the tire carrier onto the frame. We won't have a tire, obviously, because there's not the bed on here yet. But that is how the spare tire carrier for the Jeep J3000 truck works. Thanks for tuning in.
Do you want your sexy butt in it?